What up, DOE? I'm Niccolo Mastromatteo, your real estate development coach at MyREDc. Resilient mindsets defy odds.
So-called?
I know it firsthand. Told at 17 I'd be lucky to play D3. At 18 to ever play again after major knee surgery. Going on to become a D1 four-year starter, All-American, slot receiver, punt and kick returner. And for nearly a decade since, I've applied the same lessons learned on the gridiron to the field of real estate development, taking my hits in the Red School of Hard Knocks and learning my lessons the hard way so you don't have to. On projects like 28 North, Ottawa Phoenix, Longfellow New School. Whether you're starting out or leveling up, I've been in your shoes, and I'll guide you to do better. Go farther, faster for less. Save years, avoid costly pitfalls, max and optimize your resources and ROIs. MyREDc is custom tailored to you achieving your goals. Fast track your success and make 2025 your best year yet. Development right. Invest in you with MyREDc. Limited slots with extra one-on-one attention and direct access going fast. Tomorrow never comes. Book your intro call today.